Whether you tend to deal with allergies, have pets, or just want to clean your sleeping surface, a mattress vacuum might be just what you need. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the top 3 mattress vacuums you can buy that actually remove dust, mites, and allergens from deep inside your mattress and not just the surface. And all the links to these mattress vacuums and some deals are in the YouTube description down below, so be sure to check those out. All right, let's get started. First up, my favorite overall mattress vacuum is the Dyson handheld boat and car vacuum. Dyson is one of those brands that's built its reputation on power and precision, and this handheld model lives up to the hype. It's incredibly versatile, designed to clean everything from your mattress to hardwood floors, car seats, and even tight crevices. It comes with 3 interchangeable attachments, so you can easily switch between surfaces. And during testing, we crushed up some large and small particles, and it picked up both fine dust and larger debris effortlessly, even particles you can't see with the naked eye. And let me be honest, it definitely does come with a higher price tag, but you're getting what you're paying for. You can get this on Amazon for around $300, but it frequently goes on sale. Next up, we've got the Jigoo Bed Vacuum Cleaner. This one isn't quite as powerful or high technologically advanced as the Dyson, but it still holds its own, especially for the price. It struggled a bit with lighter dust and smaller debris, but it did an impressive job picking up larger crumbs and pet hair. During testing, it didn't blow particles around like some cheaper models tend to, and it even includes a dust mite sensor to help you see when your mattress is truly clean. It's also super easy to detach, empty, and clean, which makes maintenance quick and mess-free. Overall, it's a great bang for your buck, and it's still super reliable if you don't want that Dyson price tag. You can grab the Jigoo Bed Vacuum Cleaner on Amazon for around $100. And last but not least, we have the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. While it's not as powerful or high-end as the Dyson, it still offers a lot for the price. The Jimmy really does well when it comes to picking up fine dust, dander, and smaller particles that tend to settle deep into your mattress or upholstery. It uses a strong suction and a vibrating brush to help loosen up dirt and debris, making it specifically effective for light to medium messes. That said, it's not the best choice for heavier crumbs or larger debris, so I'd say it's more about detail cleaning than deep lifting. Still, for day-to-day maintenance, it performs really well and keeps your sleeping surface feeling noticeably fresher. So I'd recommend this mattress vacuum if you do have a pet that tends to shed easy. You can usually find the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum on Amazon for around $110. If you found this video helpful today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!